Magpapalit si Mr. ng aming curtain. Actually, that's not a curtain. That's our bed sheets. Ano, blanket, right?
Yeah, blanket, yeah.
Blanket namin. Yun, ginawang curtain. Temporary curtain because we just moved here and we just use our blanket. Kasi dumating na yung order ni Mr. na
That order's a blind.
blinds. I'm gonna show you how to install the blinds. We ordered this online. Let's see the result if it's gonna look nice in our window. Oh, it's nice. With bubble wrap. Hindi lang. It's long. Bubble wrap siya.
Oh, yeah. I think they got the lid wrong.
Huh?
I think they got the lid wrong.
Wrong length? Oh, it's longer.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Amazing. It's perfect.
Okay.
Sabi niya, I think I got the wrong length of this one. Just kidding. It's perfect. Oh, what's that out? Oh, it's a long.
I know.
It's nice. You can cover a lot of laptop with this and send to somewhere.
Or not, or something I can't break.
Right.
All right.
This is my favorite part. Popping there.
So it's flush with the edge of this. And you don't want to over tighten them because you will crack the ceiling, crack the windowsill. So that's secured. Can't get so bad. Take the steps too high. This is right there. Okay, one. It's good.
That's that?
Yep.
Oh, it sounds like that is that.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
really?
All right, let's get to the other side. You gotta run out the way.
Okay. Can I leave it?
Yeah,
there?
you can let it go. It's locked.
This the sounds like crack.
Yep.
Sounds like something cracking.
it is a little hole. Hold on. Let's pull it down more. Hold on. Try now, hold on, try now. I'm gonna push it your way, okay? There you go. See it?
Yeah, I see it. Okay. Yeah.
Alright, hold it in there. It broke. Okay, push it my way now. Push that little part my way.
See it?
I think it broke. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It broke.
Oh,
Yeah.
when it broke,
I don't know.
did you check this earlier?
Yeah, it was on, but all right, guys, we got the project done. There was a little mishap. The bracket here, pin on here is supposed to look like that, but on this side, I noticed that it must have got broken during the shipping. So we're just gonna order a new one, and this actually goes on the bottom to help it stabilize it so it doesn't look like that. But other than that, it's it works.
My color is gray something,
They have gray,
but
gray walls.
he wins. Actually, the color of our wall turns like white if nighttime, Dad.
Yeah, it looks. I mean, you can see between the ceiling. The ceiling is white. The walls are gray.
Oh yeah, you can see the difference. The ceiling is white. The wall is
And then
gray.
once we have that bracket, it'll move smoother, and then you can go like that. See, because right now, without that bracket pulling things down, you get the wavy. But once the bracket is on there, you can go up.
And actually, he installed one of our blinds in the office room, and let's see, you guys. I'm gonna show you our one he installed. This is he installed here is a little bit smaller. This is what he means that ganito para maging straight siya. Ayan. White din siya. White din yung sa loob ng aming office room. Ayan, maliit nga lang. Alright.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video. And we'll see you on the next one.
Charan!
No, not sure.